everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be creating this faux mirror wall art using all Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how I put this together, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'll be using 7 of these silver cake trays, a pack and a half of these acrylic gems, some popsicle sticks, 4 packs of these LED tea lights, some adhesive diamond wrap, and also some silver plastic napkin rings. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is remove all the labels off the plates. Okay, so here I'm showing you that the plate has these scallops and they go all around the plates. What I'm going to do is on the 3rd scallop, that's where I'm going to super glue and hot glue it onto the back side of one of the plates. Okay, so I went ahead and I slipped another plate on the opposite side. I needed for the plate that needed to dry to be leveled, and so that's why I did that. For a more secure hold, I added a piece of popsicle stick and I put some hot glue and some super glue. And I placed it to where both of the plates would be joined. Next, I attached the 3rd plate and I repeated the same steps as I did to the first one. I added 2 more extra popsicle sticks. Okay, so the first section is already done. And now I'm going to do one more section that's going to have 3 plates, and then I'm going to do one that only has 2. And this is how the front looks. And just to give it that extra hold, I went ahead and I added more hot glue where I felt it needed it. Okay, so next I'm going to add some gems to the plates, but first I'm going to clean it. So I've added some Windex and I'm just going to wipe the plates down. Okay, so here I'm just showing you how I'm going to place the gems. I'm only going to add the gems to the outer edge on the top of each of the plates. For the top section, I'm only going to do the top area, and then for the bottom, I'm going to only do the bottom area. If that doesn't make sense, you'll see what I'm talking about in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm done adding the gems to the top portion of this wall art. Okay, so these 2 plates are going to be the center section. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to add the acrylic gems all around of the outer rims on both of the plates. And this is how the middle section looks with all the acrylic gems. Okay, next I want to show you how I'm going to be placing the tea lights over the napkin rings, just like this. I want to add some bling to the tea lights, so what I'm going to do is cut 7 strips of this diamond wrap. The good thing about this diamond wrap is that it has a self-adhesive on the back. So all I do is just peel the paper off and then I'm just going to wrap it around the tea light. And I'll be doing the same thing to the rest of the tea lights. I really love how the diamond wrap looks around these black tea lights. And this is how all the tea lights will look once I'm done with them. Next, I added all the ring holders to the center of all the plates. Okay, so after I added all the gems to the plates, it was time for me to put it together. And here I'm just showing you all the popsicle sticks that it took to attach all the sections together. Because this was a very big piece, it was hard for me to film it and for you to actually see what I was doing, because I did have to place it on the floor and I had to sit down and really work at it, and it did take some work, let me tell you. For some reason, I ended up with a small gap and I didn't like that, so I ended up adding another plate behind it. All in all, this was a hard project to do, but I did have a lot of fun. Like I showed you in the back, I did have to kind of figure out how I was gonna attach all the plates together. Because the bottom side had those ridges, it made it pretty difficult to attach the plates together. But in the end, it all came together. Well, beauties, here is my faux mirror wall art. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless.